If you keep buying storage bins, organizers, baskets, and your house still feels messy, this might be why. This is something I had to learn the hard way. For the longest time, I thought the solution to my space was more storage, more bins, more baskets, more ways to organize everything. And every time I bought something new, I felt like, okay, this is going to fix it. But it never did because the problem wasn't storage. The problem was how much I was trying to store. And there's a difference when you have too much. All storage does is hide it. It doesn't solve it. So what ends up happening is you get really good at organizing clutter. And I say that because I've done it. Especially living in a smaller space with 4 kids, it's easy to feel like you just need better systems. But the truth is, the system only works if there's not too much in it. That's when I started asking myself a different question. Not where can I put this, but do I even need to keep this? And that changed everything because now I'm not trying to find space for everything. I'm creating space by letting things go. And when you do that, you actually need less storage, not more. Now, don't get me wrong, there are some organizers that I use every single day, and those are the ones that actually earned their place. But I'm not buying storage to fix clutter anymore. I'm removing the clutter first and then organizing what's left. And that's what actually works because I've definitely bought organizers that look like they would help, but they just ended up holding things I didn't really need in the first place. So if you feel like you need more storage, take a step back and ask yourself, is it really a storage problem or is it just too much? So if you're figuring out the small space life like I am, make sure you subscribe and follow along and let's figure this out together.